Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick meal Vetrano espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do quite a lot of work as we initially wanted to replace the boiler, but then we decided to keep the boiler in there and service it. We replaced a lot of the valves, many of the valves of the machine. There was a safety valve around here too. We probably got rid of it, sadly. But we did replace a lot of the valves in the machine. We serviced the entire boiler, make sure everything's okay. We descale it and just give it a good service overall. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this machine. We're gonna cool it down a bit as well. We're also using a no waterline pressure on this machine. We're actually using a water jug right here. Go 5 bars of pressure, that's great. I'm gonna do a little pre-infusion by just raising the lever a bit and then activating it. It is pouring a little fast, and that's because our grinder over there on the back is using really old coffee. But as you can see, there's no water coming out from the group head. Everything's coming out there. Pressure from the steam boiler. Nice steady pressure coming out from the machine. Working excellent. And hot water working once again. There you go. This machine has a rotary pump, one of the very few machines to have one, one of the very few Vetrano machines to have it. So needs to be plumbed in with that water tank. Now the machine is filling up all the water that we just removed from the boiler. And then it stopped filling and is now ready to heat up and brew. So there you have it, quick meal Vetrano working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.